and welcome to the next tutorial. This tutorial will be on how to change the footer. So basically, if you go to any page on your site, there is the same footer. So you change it once, you will be changing it to all of your courses. So I'm going to click on what the site would look like here. Actually, I have it up here to save time for loading. But if I went to Xperiencify.io, it comes up with this. And I've already scrolled down, and down at the bottom, here goes the footer. So you can see my Demon is really small. And let's say I wanted to change some text. I don't, but I will show you where to change that. So let me click off that and go back to the other page, back to the main place where you change your data. You could do this on any of these. I could pick any of these courses and it will change all of them. But for now, I'm going to pick building a strategic partnership. Why? Because why not? Anyway, so it's loaded and I'm on the page where I could go pick the different parts that I want to work on. The one to do the logo is you could go to customize your course pages, step 4, or one of the pieces in step 4. So I'm going to scroll down just a bit, and I can actually go on to any of like these top pages, but I'm going to go to course homepage. And I'll watch it spin while my slow connection. Okay, it loaded. So now we're in the page where we could make edits. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and there goes my footer. So we have the logo, which if you notice when I go over it, it turns green. And then you get the picture of the little picture and the plus. I am going to go there. And I clicked on it. So I am going to pick a photo. I'm going to do this DD2. I'm going to go open. And there it is. There goes my new picture. That's the one I want there. And then right below is the text. And this is where you would just go click in and you can change it. As I said, I don't really want to change it. So I will delete something. We will delete that. And we'll go. And then, but of course I want it back. So I'm going to undelete that. But that is done. It is done. Now the footer is changed on all the pages. So I'm going to go back to my course page, and let's go back to the courses, and let's just pick on, let's go to the top Demon Xperiencify.io. This one I'm going to let load so you can see that it has changed on all the pages. Let's watch it spin again. I'm going to have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And there we go. There goes the new logo. The text is the same, or it would have been changed. But because I changed it in that one spot, it is now changed throughout the site. Anyway, that is it for changing the footer. Super easy. Actually, everything in Xperiencify is pretty easy. But just knowing where to change things. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment or question below. Please subscribe to the channel, and then we will see you in the next video.